Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best grinding wheels and points is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any workshop, whether you're a seasoned professional tackling heavy-duty fabrication or a DIY enthusiast working on intricate projects. These versatile abrasive tools are the unsung heroes that shape, sharpen, and refine metal, stone, and other hard materials, making them indispensable for everything from basic deburring and rust removal to precision grinding and edge shaping, ensuring your final product not only looks good but performs optimally. Number 5. Abrasive Stone Points Grinding Head Tool Kit, Red. Effortlessly sharpen your chainsaw blades with these precision ground points. They are designed for quick and easy use, ensuring your tools are always ready. Experience high working efficiency and a perfect grinding effect with these durable accessories. They are built to last, providing a long using life for all your grinding needs. Make your polished goods clean and bright. These are best used for various molds, glass, medical equipment, and metal surfaces, delivering a superior finish. These effectively replace small grinding wheels with handles. Enjoy a dust-free grinding experience, making your workspace cleaner and safer. This kit includes 100 polishing heads, offering great value for your grinding and polishing tasks. Please note that the items may be slightly different from the pictures shown. What we like. This set offers a vast quantity for all your polishing needs. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to achieve a clean and bright finish on various materials, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and crafters who need a wide variety of polishing heads for different tasks. What people say. I used this tool to grind away the side of the bearing. This is hardened steel and these worked well. I figured they would disintegrate quickly but they lasted pretty good. The stones are decent quality, none broke. They did a good job of grinding the shapes in hard steel to the configuration I wanted. I found they were actually very hard yet still ground well. In total I went through only 2 of them. Number 4. PRAZTECH Diamond Dresser Single Point Tool. This tool features a tapered point, perfect for accurately reshaping, truing, and deburring your grinding wheels. It ensures your grinding wheels perform at their best. Equipped with a 2.00 carat natural diamond, this tool offers exceptional durability and longevity. It's built to withstand demanding industrial applications. The 1.2-inch diameter shank and 6-inch overall length provide excellent control and stability. You'll experience comfortable and precise dressing operations. It is ideal for use on a wide range of grinding wheels. This includes aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, and other abrasive materials. Enhance your grinding efficiency with this tool. It restores wheel sharpness, reduces friction, and improves the surface finish of your workpieces. What we like. Experience unparalleled precision and longevity with this diamond dresser. If you need to accurately reshape and true grinding wheels for optimal performance, especially in industrial settings, this tool is essential. Its superior durability ensures it can handle demanding applications with ease. What people say. Diamond worked well for all initial dressings on surface grinder. The industrial-grade diamond is well assembled and fits the needs to dress different and shapes grinding wheels. Works well for cleaning up and truing bench pedestal grinding stones. Number 3. Luoco 100 PCS Rotary Grinding Stone Set. Crafted from premium corundum sand, these grinding bits are designed to meet all your grinding requirements. They are perfect for sharpening and working with hard materials. Featuring both column and cone shapes, these tools are ideal for grinding and deburring various objects. They effectively work on both flat and uneven surfaces. With grinding head diameters ranging from 4 mm to 10 mm and a standard 1/8-foot shank, these bits are compatible with most rotary tools and drill presses. This set is perfect for polishing and grinding a wide array of materials. Use them on stone, glass, metal, stainless steel, gems, ceramics, and more. For best results and a long service life, always ensure the handle is fully inserted and clamped tightly in your tool. Using coolant, like water, is also recommended during operation. What we like. Achieve superior grinding and sharpening on tough materials with this high-quality set. If you work with stone, glass, metal, or gems and require precise deburring and shaping, these bits are perfect. Their versatility in shapes and sizes makes them ideal for intricate work on curved and uneven surfaces. What people say. This grinding wheel is very durable and lasts a long time. The design of this grinding wheel allows for precise cuts. It effectively grinds through tough materials with ease. Number 2. UXCELL Abrasive Stone Point Set. Introducing a set of abrasive stone points designed for a wide range of grinding and polishing tasks. This set offers exceptional versatility for your projects. Each piece features a 6mm shank for compatibility with your tools. They are precision ground to ensure a high working efficiency and excellent sharpening results. Crafted from bonded aluminum oxide, these bits offer high hardness and excellent shape retention. This ensures they maintain their effectiveness through demanding use. With various head shapes including ball, conical, cylindrical, and more, you have the right tool for every specific application. Achieve detailed work with ease. These are perfect for grinding, polishing, carving, and burnishing a variety of materials. Use them on metal, glass, and precision equipment for a superior finish. This package includes 10 abrasive stone points, providing you with ample supply for multiple tasks. Get everything you need in one convenient set. What we like. Get a high working efficiency for grinding and polishing tasks with this set. If you need a reliable tool for sharpening, polishing, carving, and burnishing a variety of materials including glass and metal, this is a solid option. Its precision ground points ensure a good grinding effect for detailed work. What people say. The correct size and stone for grinding metal. Excellent. Love all the different possibilities. Number 1. 18-piece stone point grinding wheel set. Introducing our 18-piece grinding wheel set, designed for versatility. It includes 2 different head shapes to tackle various tasks. Crafted from high-quality chrome corundum, these abrasive points ensure durability and effective grinding. They are built to last through your projects. With head diameters of 20mm, 25mm, and 30mm, you have the right size for precision work. The 1/4-inch shank fits most standard rotary tools. These grinding bits are compatible with a wide range of rotary tools. Use them with your electric drills, grinders, or other rotary devices. This comprehensive set comes with 18 abrasive stone points, ready for immediate use. Get everything you need for your grinding and polishing needs. Perfect for shaping, sharpening, and smoothing various materials. Achieve professional results with these essential grinding accessories. What we like. This set provides larger grinding heads for more substantial tasks. If you are looking for abrasive points that can handle bigger projects and offer a good range of shapes for rotary tools, this is a suitable choice. It's great for users who need to tackle slightly larger grinding and polishing jobs efficiently. What people say. This is a good assortment of stones. Good addition to the toolbox. The larger stones were so seriously out of balance that my hands were numb in seconds from the vibrations, and only a small portion of the stone actually contacting the workpiece. The smaller stones were not balanced, but at least they didn't shake as violently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.